All-clad immersion blender. Stainless steel. Features a motor with variable speed options for precise control. Compatible with most containers. Large enough to get to those hard-to-reach spots. The head is large enough to process a large amount at once. Can be customized with additional accessories. Completing other prep tasks. Endless possibilities. Powerful motor and variable speed control. Easy to use stainless steel shaft. Brilliantly easy to clean. The bottom simply detaches for quick cleaning.